Good morning friends, today it's 18th of June 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. Since start of this week we have been saying that Nifty 25,000 and Bank Nifty 56,250 spot levels can act as a silver line between bulls and bears, trading below which the bias will remain slightly range to down. And yesterday we have seen that Nifty failed to sustain above 25,000 mark and slipped down to the lows of 24,860, ending the session in red down minus 0.51%. Today once again the index can open almost flat to slightly negative on a negative note, and the crucial level to watch for Nifty spot for intraday will be around 24,800 odd levels, followed by a lower support of 24,700. Dips toward these levels can attract some kind of intraday buying pullback, but overall the index need to sustain over and above 25,000 mark in order to nullify the ongoing short-term pessimism, and short covering come fresh buying interest will be expected only once Nifty sustains above 25,000 mark, else it will remain in a range to slightly downside biased, open for the lower support levels to be tested. As per the weekly OI data for 19th of June expiry, the maximum call build-up is at 26,000 and 25,500 strike price, followed by 24,000 and 23,500 put strike prices, indicating a range between 24,000 and 25,000 zone with slightly under pressure outlook below 25,000 as per the OI data and price study. In respect with the Bank Nifty spot, it ended in red down minus 1% at 55,714 levels. It slipped down from the highs of 56,067, and as mentioned 56,250 remains an important level, tug of war level between bulls and bears for this week, trading below which the bias will be slightly range to down with the support at around 55,000 mark. Yesterday closing was in red, and today the important level to watch will be around 55,500 55,000 level support levels, while on the higher end 56,000 56,250 remains important, trading below which one need to be light and hedged. And as mentioned yesterday, we can see some kind of negative oscillators building up on the daily charts, and thus leverage positions should be looked for hedging, and trading stop losses should be looked into long positions below the mentioned support levels. As per the monthly OI data for Bank Nifty, maximum call build-up and put build-up remains at around 56,000 levels, indicating a tug of war between bulls and bears around those levels. So in 56,000 56,250 will remain important, trading below which the bias will be slightly range to down. For the day traders, Nifty futures intraday 24,750 and 24,675 levels can be looked for buying, keeping a stop below 50 points. While pullback towards 24,960 25,080 are resistances and can be looked for contra trading short bets, keeping a stop of 50 odd points. In respect with Bank Nifty futures, intraday support levels of 55,350 and 54,870 can attract some kind of buying interest, while 55,950 and 56,500 can be looked for contra trading short bets, maintaining strict stop losses of 100 odd points. Overall, the indices can be within a range to slightly downside bias for the day today. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.